Engy from grade 2D. I will tell you the life cycle of a chicken. First, the eggs grow inside the hen. Next, the hen lays the eggs. Third, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. Then, the baby chicks hatch. Last, a baby chick grows into an adult hen. Thank you for listening to me.